Students, this is question number 6. So for that, let me draw the figure. So, got a circle. Okay. Now, we need to add the axis. Figure not to scale. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Somewhere over here you have the center. Okay, the center of the circle, and you have a line hitting the circle at AB. This line is y is equal to 3x negative 20, and let me write the question. The circle with equation x positive 1 whole squared positive y negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 85, and the straight line y is equal to 3x negative 20 intersects the circle. Now we are asked to find the coordinates of A and B, that's part A, and part B is find the equation of the circle which has center at C, for which the line is a tangent to the circle. Okay, so we are expected to do all of this. Okay, let me find the first one, the coordinates of A and B. So solution, okay, to find the coordinates of A and B. So what are we given? We are given x positive 1 the whole squared positive y negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 85, and we have y is equal to 3x negative 20. So since there is an intersection between circle and line, so what are we going to do? We are going to substitute y is equal to 3x negative 20 in 1. I'm going to take this as 1, I will take this as 2. In 1 we get, so what do we get? X positive 1 the whole squared positive 3x negative 20 is a negative 2. Negative 2 whole squared is equal to 85. So this is x squared positive 2x positive 1. This is 3x negative 22, right? So you expand this is 9x squared, and you have negative 6x times 22. So 6 into 22, 6 2s are 12, 1, 12, 13, 132. 132x and then you have 22 22 square, 22 into 22, 4 4 4 4 484 positive equal to 85. So what I'm going to do is I will have to use the next side to perform the simplification. So these two can be added. That would give me 10x squared, and this would give me negative, these two are added, negative 30x, and these two are added, so that's going to be 485, negative 85. I'm bringing this to this side is equal to 0. So this is going to be 10x squared negative 130x followed by positive 400 is equal to 0. Now you divide by 10 throughout. So what do you get? You get x squared negative 13x positive 40 is equal to 0. Now we can factorize this. I need to get 40, I need to get negative 13. So 8 into 5 is 40, but I need to get a negative sign, so I place a negative sign there. So x negative 8 times x negative 5 is equal to 0, right? So that would be the factor. And this means x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 5. Now put x is equal to 8 in y is equal to 3x negative 20. So what do we get? So 3 times of 8 negative 20, 24 negative 20 is equal to 4. So we have one coordinate here. When x is equal to 8, you have 4. Also put x is equal to 5 in y is equal to 3x negative 20. So what do you get? Y is equal to 3 of 5 negative 20. This is 15 negative 20 is equal to negative 5. So next coordinate is what? 5 comma negative 5. So therefore you can actually have the coordinates of a and b. So a is going to be 8 comma 4, 8 comma 4, and b is 5 comma negative 5. So that is the solution for this question. Okay, so now we are expected to find the equation of the tangent, equation of the circle which has y is equal to 3x negative 20 as tangent. Okay, so foremost what we need to do is we have the center is negative 1 comma 2, that is the center of the circle, and we have a line y is equal to 3x. So I'm going to write this as 3x negative y negative 20 is equal to 0. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to find the distance between the center and the point of tangency. So that would mean we will have to use the distance formula. So distance is equal to 3 times a negative 1 positive 2 times negative 1, and then you have the constant. So this is actually placed within the modulus divided by square root of 3 squared plus of negative 1 squared. So you need to take the square of these. So this is going to give me negative 3, negative 2, negative 20 modulus sign divided by square root of 9 positive 1. That's 10. So this is 5 and negative 20. So So you have modulus of negative 25. This is a modulus sign divided by root of 10. Now this can be rewritten as 25 divided by root of 10. Okay, so that is the distance. Now having got this distance, this is actually from the center to the point of tangent. So this is actually the R for us, right? So therefore the equation of the circle, let me write that down. Equation of the circle is x negative 1 the whole squared positive, this is x positive 1 because the center is negative 1 comma 2, right? So y negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 25 over root of 10 squared, and that is the right. If you want, you can just simply stop there, or if you are interested, you can simplify this. This is 625 divided by 10, so that means 62.5. So this means the equation is x positive 1 the whole squared positive y negative 2 the whole squared is equal to 62. If you want, you can write it as 1 over 2. So that is the equation of the circle. So that has completed the part B of the question. So we move on to the next one.